Maybe going a little bit outside on that inner clip there. He's going to try to smooth it out here on the top of the hill. But here it comes.
Oh, Logan trying to get back on that line for Daniel. Trying to get up on his door, make that lead driver to have a mistake. You hear that engine? It's a little scary.
Trying to force a mistake as they cross the line here at the first lap. And they're off. Logan. Super wide there on that first initiation. Coming around that corner, but Daniel not letting him go anywhere. Dooring him right there with a nice transition. Here we go. Logan coming in that inner clip, staying nice and wide, giving the opportunity for that orange 240 to come diving right
Great transition there on that back bumper, not letting Logan get away at all.
At some point in this track, it almost looks like there's one, but here they come up the hill. Again, pulling a little bit of leg here, going across that line. Give it up to drivers, guys.
Well, it happened. RIP.